All right, I'm here with Richard Wilkins and Andrew Pavili. We had, what were we singing tonight?
I did Candy Rain by the legendary group Soul For Real.
And what was the inspiration behind this piece?
You know, it's Valentine's Day and it's been rainy.
It has been.
And you know, it all worked. It just worked.
It really did. It did. It meshed at the end of the day. And you, what were we singing over
Well,
here?
I like to go with the opposite spectrum of what because Valentine's Day, you know, my love. I went with a little runaround Sue because she broke my heart. She broke my heart.
My God, polar opposites. Well, opposites attract.
Yeah, I mean, I set him up, and I guess when he came, just knocked him down.
Yep.
You did. You teed it up.
Give the high low. The high low.
Back-to-back performances, though, they played off each other very well. It was a tremendous evening.
Thank you. Obviously, had a different experience.
Thank you. Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
I put myself out there.
What was your road getting to this point? You know,
Well,
from a vocal kind of
From a
perspective,
vocal,
training.
you know, it's like a roller coaster.
It really is.
Yeah, a lot of ups and downs. I take a lot of dips, but I always pick myself back up. I always climb to the top. Yep. But like I said, I'm a unicorn. You don't see me a lot up there, you know. But when you do, it's magical.
And what about you? Where's your road to this point?
I've been up there quite a bit since the first one. A lot of it is it's either songs that I do or part of the orchestra, you know, the backing band. It's usually just vocals or backing vocals. Can't play an instrument yet. Working on it, but not yet.
So we'll look forward to that in the future.
So yeah,
We'll look forward to that in the future.
Okay,
All right, thank you very much.
Okay. Just more.